So you have used your personal funds for business expenses. Now you need to record them. Let me show you how. The first thing you want to do is go into your chart of accounts and create this account called Cash on Hand Clearing Account. This account should always be zero. This account is used as a middle account between your personal expense, your personal cash and your business cash. I don't recommend using personal funds to pay for expenses like to vendors or buy material. But if you do that, I will show you how to record that. Once you have this account, you can now create the transaction. You can create a check or an expense. If you write yourself a check from your business account, of course, you want to use check, so you could put the check number. If you're doing a transfer from your business to your personal, you could just do an expense account. So in here, we can put who it's for. In this case, it's for you, for yourself, but it could be for, like, let's say a partner or some other person that use their personal funds to pay for business expenses. In the payment accounts, I'm going to use the checking account, your business checking account. In the category is where I'm going to put that clearing account, cash on hand. Reimbursing owner for using personal funds for business. I want to do $1,000. We see that the balance is now $1,000. Now this account, like I said, should always be zero. If there's something in there, that means you forgot to enter the offsetting transaction, or something is wrong, something was posted in there that it shouldn't be. So always keep an eye on this account. Now I'm going to use an expense to record who I paid. Let's see, Hicks Hardware. I'm going to say that I paid for materials. And the payment account is the actual cash on hand account. Owner paid from personal funds, $1,000. Now, once we go into that account, I'm going to go into that register. As you can see, we have a deposit and we have the payment. The deposit is your reimbursement from the business to yourself, and the payment is what you paid. Was it materials, subcontract, whatever expense you did for the business. So now this account is zero. The amounts should always offset each other, so this account should always be zero. I hope that this has helped you. Please give thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.